You've probably heard people say that crypto is anonymous, but that's not actually true. Most blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum are completely public. That means that every transaction, every amount exchanged, every address, it's all visible on a block explorer. So that raises a pretty important question. How do you protect your privacy in a system where everything is transparent? That's where privacy coins come in. So what problem do privacy coins actually solve? Well, the core issue is that public blockchains are pseudonymous, not anonymous. Your name might not be attached to your wallet, but once your identity is linked to an address, perhaps through an exchange, a payment, or even a careless screenshot, your entire history becomes visible. And for many people, that's a problem. Privacy is not about hiding bad behavior. It's about protecting innocent people from unwanted surveillance, financial profiling, or data leaks. And privacy coins are created to solve exactly this issue. So what are privacy coins? Privacy coins are cryptocurrencies that use advanced cryptography to hide key pieces of transaction data, such as who sent the transaction, who received it, and how much was sent. They allow users to transact without exposing their financial history to the entire world. The Electronic Frontier Foundation, one of the most respected digital rights organizations, puts it simply: privacy is a fundamental right, and financial privacy is essential to personal freedom. Privacy coins take that principle to the crypto world. So how do privacy coins actually work? Different privacy coins use different techniques, but the goal remains the same: break the link between sender, receiver, and amount. Here are the three most well-known approaches. First, we have Monero, which hides everything by default. Monero is the best-known privacy coin, and it uses a combination of ring signatures, stealth addresses, and confidential transactions to blend your transaction with many others, so nobody can trace who sent what. It's like putting your message into a huge crowd where nobody can tell who shouted it. Then we have Zcash, which attains privacy through zero-knowledge proofs, specifically a technology called Zk snarks, which lets you prove that a transaction is valid without revealing any details about it. Think of it like showing security that your ticket is valid without showing the ticket itself. The Zcash Foundation describes it as cryptographic privacy at the protocol level that hides sender, receiver, and amount. Lastly, we have Pirate Chain, which has privacy turned all the way up. Pirate Chain takes a different approach. It uses a mandatory shielded transaction for everyone, built on top of Zcash's cryptography, but without the option to send anything transparently. Every single transaction on Pirate Chain is fully private. There is no opt-in privacy, which means there's no metadata trail, no transparent addresses, and no way to accidentally reveal information. This gives Pirate Chain one of the strongest privacy defaults in the entire ecosystem. So why do privacy coins matter? Well, here are three simple reasons. The first one is financial privacy. Your bank doesn't publish your transactions online, but public blockchains do. Privacy coins restore a right people already expect in everyday life. The second thing is personal safety. If someone can track your balances or spending habits, they can target you. Privacy coins reduce that risk. Before we take a look at the third reason, are you enjoying these blockchain explainers? If so, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a ton and gets these messages out to more people. Okay, so the third reason why privacy coins are so powerful is fungibility. A dollar is a dollar, but on a transparent blockchain, coins can be tainted by past transactions. Privacy coins prevent that because all coins look identical. But privacy coins aren't perfect, and they come with a few trade-offs. Firstly, it's harder for exchanges to support them. They can also be misunderstood by regulators. Their cryptography is more complex, and some wallets don't support their privacy features properly. But despite these challenges, privacy coins remain one of the most important innovations in crypto because they defend one of the most important human rights, the right to privacy. In summary, privacy coins hide transaction details on the blockchain using advanced cryptography. They protect users from unwanted surveillance, restore financial privacy, and keep cryptocurrency truly fungible. They're not about secrecy. They're about freedom, security, and digital rights in an increasingly transparent world. I really hope you found this video helpful, and there's a lot more crypto and blockchain explainers coming your way.